What if I told you you can build a fully working Power Apps in under 5 minutes? No formula, no coding, just plain English, and Claude AI will take care of the thing. Welcome back to Data with Pankaj. I am Pankaj here. Today we are building two real Power Apps using the Claude AI extension directly inside Power Apps. A customer feedback app and another is employee leave application from scratch. Let's go. Quick question: have you ever opened Power Apps, seen all those buttons, and just closed it? Yeah, same. The exactly why we have Claude AI. Now Power Apps has a Claude AI extension. You can talk to Claude right inside Power Apps. Describe what you want to achieve using your Power Apps, and Claude tells you exactly how you can control all the design part, and it will design entire application as per your prompt. So here you can see I have passed the customer feedback app prompt, and it has designed the customer feedback app. So here is the customer name, email address we can enter. Then here rating, we can select rating from 1 to 5. Then here we can enter the detail feedback. So I will just show you how the app will work in real time. So I have created customer feedback app. So if I open this, you can see our app is open. So here you can put actual customer name, then your email address. Here you can select different categories of product services. If I click on the run, you can see you can test it different categories of product services, and here you can enter your feedback, and on submit you will have that feedback store on either SharePoint on in the backend system, whatever you have configured. Okay, this is how we can design with a Claude AI and Power Apps in a few minutes with just one prompt. So we are going to design two apps. One is customer feedback app, and another is employee leave application. Getting started, if you are not aware about the what is Power Apps, Apps is the solution from Microsoft, like no code solution, where you have to select different elements of the application and without any coding, and you can create your application, and that can be shared across your team organization, so they can use that application, and the data will be stored either in SharePoint, in SQL database, depending on the configuration. Okay, so in companies, lot of organization using this Power Apps for different applications. So in order to work with this setup, you need two things. One is Power Apps account. So if you have any organization email ID, you can have trial account with Power Apps. Other, you need the Claude AI extension installed in your browser. Even you don't have any paid plan, that is fine. You can just start with your free trial version account for Claude. So now I will just close this, and we will start with a new app. So you need to log into Power Apps. This is the home page. Okay, you can see welcome Pankaj, and here we already developed one customer feedback app. So now we will just recreate this app and one more application for employee leave management. You can install Cloud AI extension here. You can see I have installed the Cloud AI extension. So once you added the extension, it will ask you to sign in with your Cloud account. So this is the prompt we are going to pass to the Cloud AI. So you are the Power Apps expert, build a customer feedback app. Okay. So we are mentioning the different field like customer name, then email address, then different services we are going to, then their feedback rating. Okay, those are the different configuration we are mentioning here, like where we need the drop down, all the things. Okay, and at the end I will just pass design entire apps. Okay, and if we get started with this task, it will start with our prompt. So we already created one app called customer feedback app, so I will just rename this customer feedback app underscore 2. Okay, so it will differentiate with our existing app. It is started with our task. You can see it will do everything automatically. We have to not do any manual things. You can see here it has taken the screenshot of our page. It will select the blank canvas, so it will do everything automatically. We have to not even pass any input. So if you pass prompt correctly, it will design your fully production ready application within a few minutes. It is just creating a name of our app, customer feedback app 2. You can say underscore app 2. Now it will add different element to our app as per our prompt, like customer name, their email address, then their feedback, rating. in which category they are working, like business segment. Here you can see it has added the application title customer feedback form, and now it is changing the background color, then font color, and gradually it will add all the different elements related to our apps. Okay, so far it has added the title of our application customer feedback, then different fields like customer name, email address, and product or services. Here we have dropped down that contain different values and rating from 0 to 5. And now it will add another remaining field like customer feedback, and there they can enter in detail feedback, and at the end we have submit button. So it will take a couple of minutes again to design the remaining part. So here you can see our entire customer feedback application is ready, so we can test it. So if I click on the preview, here you can see you can enter your name. So I am putting my name, then the email address, pankaj@datawithpankaj.com. Then you can select the different services like software, then consulting, support, electronics. You can rate from 1 to 5. Then you can enter your in detail feedback, and at the end you need to submit this. Okay. You can say after submit, thank you for your feedback, and your feedback is recorded. Like some text is coming automatically. Okay. So this is how you can design end-to-end application using Claude for Power Apps. Again, you can do multiple changes here. If you go to the theme, if you want some different colors, changes, etc. Okay, you can select different themes and other like manually you can customize this after the plot design. Okay, but you will get some entire layout, so you can customize that layout. That will be very helpful if you are beginner and new to the Power Apps. This is very helpful. Even I am not learn the Power Apps before, but I with the Claude I am learning, and it is very easy for learn. Okay, because I got multiple wireframes and entire app layout within a few minutes. I am just customize as per my requirement or the client requirement. So there are multiple ways to create this application. So we have seen the customer feedback application. Similarly, we need to just change the prompt for employee leave application. So I will attach that prompt in the description. You can just try out with your own computer or machine. You will see that application is also ready. Okay, so we need to keep in mind whatever fields we need in the application like customer name, email address, product, services, rating, feedback, comment. Okay, and submit button. So those particular details we need to mention in the app. If you need buttons like instead of rating slider you need some stars, then that also possible. Okay, so as per the prompt it will generate the output. I will just recap what we have discussed today. Okay, so we have integrated our Cloud AI directly with Power Apps, and we have designed one custom application called customer feedback with a different fields. Similarly, we can design different application based on the prompt just to the Cloud, and Cloud will handle end-to-end things. After that, if you need any customization, again you can pass the prompt. I need to change this color. I need to add additional field. That will be done by Cloud automatically. So even in future, if you have any changes, that can be also automated using Cloud AI. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you like the content, hit a subscribe button, give a like, and comment what are the different application you are building using a Power Apps in day to day. Thanks for watching.